Hello, the information you will hear in this video has been prepared using the current medication instructions and reliable drug information sources. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Dimetapp, which belongs to the respiratory system medicines group, is an orally used grape-flavored syrup. The active ingredients of this medicine are brompheniramine maleate and dextromethorphan hydrobromide. Each 10 milliliters of syrup contains 2 milligrams of brompheniramine maleate and 10 milligrams of dextromethorphan hydrobromide. You can find the list of inactive ingredients of this medicine at the end of the video. What is Dimetapp and what is it used for? One of the active ingredients of Dimetapp, brompheniramine, is an antihistamine that helps reduce allergy symptoms. The other active ingredient, dextromethorphan, helps relieve dry cough by suppressing the cough reflex. Dimetapp is used for the temporary relief of symptoms caused by the common cold and upper respiratory tract infections, such as runny nose, sneezing, throat irritation, and dry cough. This medicine does not treat the cause of the illness and should not be used as a substitute for antibiotics. It only helps relieve symptoms. How to use Dimetapp syrup. It is recommended to use this medicine exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Unless your doctor recommends a different use, follow the instructions provided on the product label. Dimetapp should be used according to age-appropriate doses. For children between 6 and 12 years of age, the recommended dose is 10 milliliters every 4 hours as needed. For children 12 years of age and older and adults, the recommended dose is 20 milliliters every 4 hours as needed. Do not use in children under 6 years of age. Shake the bottle well before each use. Measure the dose using the measuring cup provided with the package. Do not use a household spoon. Do not take more than 6 doses within 24 hours. Do not exceed the recommended dose and do not use together with other cold medicines containing the same active ingredients. If symptoms last for more than 7 days, become worse, or continue with fever, consult a doctor. Important information before using Dimetapp. Do not use this medicine if you are allergic to its active ingredients or any of the other components. This medicine should not be used together with certain antidepressant medicines known as MAO inhibitors. Before using Dimetapp together with other cold, cough, or allergy medicines, consult your doctor. Using this medicine with sleep-inducing medicines, sedatives, or alcohol may increase drowsiness. If you are pregnant, planning to become pregnant, or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this medicine. Possible side effects of Dimetapp. Like all medicines, Dimetapp may cause side effects in some people. The most common side effects may include drowsiness, dizziness, dry mouth, mild stomach discomfort, and restlessness. If serious allergic reactions occur, such as difficulty breathing or swelling of the face, lips, tongue, or throat, stop using the medicine and seek immediate medical attention. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share your opinions and experiences about using medicines in the comments. Have a healthy day.